Are you ready to learn some shines? Stay tuned. Hey guys, Herman here, back with another shine tutorial. I just want to say, go ahead and pause this video right now, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You know it's going to be good. What are you waiting for? So this is the shine that I taught my students today. I hope you like it. I'm constantly posting more free salsa tutorials, so stay in the loop. Bam! Hey guys, what's going on? This is another shine combo. Let's get right into it. Basic step, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Immediately tap on 8 with your heel diagonally to your right. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm pointing, I'm leaning a little bit back. I have my heel that touches the ground. There is no weight on that foot. I'm just touching the ground. I then bring it back. 1, 2, diagonally. Spin around, 3. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it back. 1, 2, turn 3. That's a right turn. Diagonal right turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. I'll give you a view from the back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, turn around. 5, one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, turn around, 3. From there, once you turn around, you're going to line diagonally on a 45-degree, diagonally. 5, you're not going to land feet together, you're going to land 5. You're going to hook behind 6, and then you're going to step again diagonally 7. I'll do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, diagonal. 5, hook behind 6, step forward 7. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And one more. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Front view from the back. 5, 6, 7. From the 1, 2, 3 turn. 1, 2, 3. Diagonal. 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, tap on 8, 1, turn around, diagonal, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 again, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, tap on 8, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. A view from the back, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, turn around, diagonal, 5, 6, 7, one last one, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, turn around, diagonal, 5, 6, 7. To finish it off, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to kick 8, and then I'm going to go right back to the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, diagonal, 5, 6, 7, and basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic, 2, 3, 5. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. View from the back, diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Kick, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time, 1, 2, 3, diagonal. 5, 6, 7. Kick, basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All the way from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, diagonal, 5, 6, 7, kick, basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, tap on 8, 7, 8, turn around, 2, 3, diagonal, 5, 6, 7, kick, basic, 2, 3, 5, one more time, basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. View from the back, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic, 2, 3, 5, and again, 7, slow, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you guys with music. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like this free tutorials, stay tuned. Go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. And if I could help you improve your salsa in any way, give me a call, 786-440-8920. That's my phone number. I want to stay in touch with you. I want to help you out improve your salsa.